All right, Jay. First day of spring here in New York. Finally got 70 degrees.
Yeah, I really got to take my hoodie off. I'm hot.
Well, we just broke this Zinger out of the basement.
Yep.
Want to have a little bit of fun today?
Bought this Zinger last year. It didn't run. Put a new top end on it. A couple other things. The brakes didn't work. Other than that, she's a pretty good ripper.
Yeah, it's just a ripping machine. It ain't beautiful, but it's fun.
Mm-hmm.
It's loud too.
Take it for a rip.
Two smoking.
Oh, I go like the other way.
Sick, bro.
When it leans out, it rips.
Yeah, dude, you were cruising.
Dang.
We gotta
Felt
find.
like I was ripping.
Yeah, you were, but we gotta find like a nice little jump. It's a little muddy out here. We just got tons of rain, so.
Yep. Look at those clouds blowing over.
Yep. Sweet, dude. That makes us excited for summer. I want to get my Zinger out now. Is there another jump somewhere?
I don't know.
Let me take it for a quick spin.
Dang. Hop on.
This thing is tiny, bro.
It's fun. Might have to give it a little gas when you start it.
Death machine. Oh my God, bro. This is way harder to ride than it looks. Dang, bro, you make it look easy. This thing is hard to ride.
Yeah, it's tiny.
It's small, and then it's like a trike, so that rear axle just like pushes you through everything.
Yeah.
You were like ripping it.
Yeah, the front tire doesn't do nothing.
This is, if I had pants on, maybe I'd rip a little harder. Now I'm all muddy. All right, let's find like one other thing to do with it and then see our next one. Nice. There you go, covered in boondocks. All right, let's go put it away.
At least it's not ticked.
let's put it away and check out our next project.
Yep. Take a look.
All right, finished up riding the Zinger. Nice and muddy.
It was a blast for the first rip of the year.
Yup. Next project we got lined up, Jay, what do we got here?
This is my 4-zinger.
Heck yeah, dude, sick.
Needs a bunch of work, but it's a cool little project. They look like little monster trucks from back in the day.
Sweet. Maybe
Go
put
through
like
the motor.
Yeah.
Probably do a Melosi top end, make it quick. Put a pipe on it, maybe.
Yeah, DG pipe. It needs new tires, but subscribe, man. We'll have that one coming soon.